Say teacher, I've been having trouble in class and I think I need some help. Can you accommodate for me?
Of course I can, Susie. Tell me what you think you might need.
It's hard for me to keep up when you talk a lot in class. I can only write a few words at a time and I'm always losing what you are saying.
Well, Susie, I was just looking at a new iPad application that will record a lecture or a discussion while you take notes. I was just thinking this might work well for some students in the class.
That would be great, but I don't have an iPad. My family is poor.
That's okay, I can find a recorder for you somehow. Maybe the school will buy a LiveScribe Smart Pen for our classroom. It takes notes and records lectures at the same time. Then you could listen to the discussion later to hear important points again.
Are you sure it isn't cheating for me to have the lecture and discussion recorded?
Not at all, Susie. This is a very common accommodation. Accommodations are when a teacher changes how a student accesses the curriculum. You don't need to be special to have an accommodation. Anyone can have them.
That's great news, teacher. What else can you do to help me?
It just depends on what you need to learn. Maybe you could use sticky notes to write down words you do not know. Or I could use a highlighter to highlight the important words in a passage for you. There are many ways to accommodate.
I am so glad I asked.